Lab work number 8. Use of font tag in HTML. Theory. For web page texts to look good, a variety of font styles, colors, and sizes must be used. Necessary tools. 1. Hardware. A computer desktop or a laptop. 2. Software. Operating system. Windows 10 and editing software. Notepad++. 3. Browsing software. Google Chrome. Primary works of the experiment. 1. To turn on the main electric line. 2. To turn on the power switch of the CPU. 3. To ensure Notepad++ is installed. Procedure. 1. To turn on the computer and come to the desktop. 2. Double-clicks on the Notepad++ icon from the desktop. 3. The Notepad++ editor will be launched. 4. The necessary tag has been typed in. Notepad++ to determine the font color, size, and face. Saving of file. 1. Click on the Save icon from the toolbar. 2. From the Save as dialog box, type webpages.html in the File Name section and click on the Save button. The created web page will be saved as Web Pages. Explanation of tag. Use. Indicates color of the text. Indicates size of the text. Indicates font style. Display result. 1. From the Notepad++ Editor's Run option, select the Start option in the Google Chrome browser. 2. The section typed on the body is shown on the web page when the Google Chrome browser is opened. 3. A web page, webpages.html, is produced if the aforementioned actions are completed with Notepad++. Display result. Display result. Display result. Thank you.